What is up? Billy Breeze coming at you. Thank you so much for tuning in. Welcome back. But if this is your first time, you know the drill. Well, you don't know the drill. So go ahead and do yourself a favor. If you like alcohol markers, if you like POSCA markers, if you like any of that stuff, art in general, just hit that subscribe button. Do it. It's free. But I really appreciate any support. Alright, so I'm going to be using POSCA markers in this really dope sketchbook that I got off Amazon. And pretty much I'm going to be making something SpongeBob related just using POSCA markers. If you like painting and you like markers. So these are POSCA markers. These are acrylic paint based markers that you basically just use as you would a marker. You take one, you shake it, it mixes up the paint inside, and then it works its way up into the nib, and then you just use it. This is Benny, my professional chicken nugget tester. That's Marley. She's 12 years old and she loves to sleep. But yeah, so we got the POSCA markers that we're gonna go ahead and make with, we're gonna use a mixed media binder. Let me show you that. One is the Canson multi-technique mixed media binder. I've gone through like 4 or 5 of these. They're relatively cheap. I just got this one off of Amazon. I like this one a little bit more because it flips up, upwards as opposed to, hey, what's up? Go watch my shorts, by the way. But I got this off of Amazon. Really good quality, comes with a bunch of pages, 98 pounds. Don't feel 98 pounds. But you can use pencil, markers, paint in these bad boys, and they hold up pretty well. But with that being said, let's do it. I'm gonna show you guys a simple technique. So I'm just gonna show you like a simple POSCA marker trick that I learned. No big deal. If you're kind of new to POSCA markers, then I think this one will definitely benefit you. But thanks so much for tuning in. And make sure you hit the like button if you like it. Make sure you hit the thumbs down if you don't like it. I'm good. I can live with reject. All right, but the first thing we gotta do is we gotta get a sketch down. All right, so I'm gonna draw something SpongeBob related. I'm gonna be real light-handed with it. I'm gonna be using like an H5, something real light. All right. Wait, Benny, come here, baby. He wants to do it.
Yeah, look, tell me what's the vibes, what's the moves? Yeah, I just hit a Mikey for the juice. Yeah, ain't no capping, I'ma tell the truth. I've been winning for so long, it's hard to lose. Deal, be my source, Christian like Dior. Yeah, I can't stall when I'm far, just get back up. Yeah.
Alrighty guys, so the first thing I'm doing, I'm going in and I'm just outlining my sketch with a very small fine liner. That way I can go ahead and just paint it. And then I can outline it with the actual POSCA marker. Because these things are opaque, so if you try to outline it first with paint, you're just gonna mess it up in the long run. So it's best to just paint it first, kind of like this, with a very small outline. And then once you're done, kind of re-outline it with a bigger black POSCA marker.
Look, tell me what's the vibes, what's the move?
Oh, and fun fact, this is how you correctly open a brand new marker. Just twist it.
I've been winning for so long, it's hard to lose.
Alright, so here's the trick. Now that it's painted, I'm going back over everything. Like I'm making an X with a black marker, black POSCA marker. And what I'm going to do is give it like an X-ray effect. I'm going to cover it completely, this X. Then I'm going to go in with a white colored pencil to outline it a little bit, and then a white paint marker. Not a POSCA marker, because I actually didn't have one large enough, so I had to use this crap. But yeah, there it is, guys. Just a quick little, I guess, beginner's trick with POSCA markers to give it that X-ray look. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions, throw them down in the comments. Other than that, have a great day. Thank you. Peace.
Look, tell me what's the vibes, what's the moves? Tell me what's the vibes, what's the moves?